Today is Friday. We have science. Let's see page 20. Today we have fuel. Our lesson is fuel. Fuel means minyak atau apa ya mem ya? Minyak untuk kendaraan ya mem ya. Tick the things that need fuel to move. Katanya kamu put a tick yang mana menggunakan fuel ataupun minyak itu untuk bergerak. Okay, before we do that, let's see one by one. Okay, this one is motorcycle. Motorcycle needs fuel to move. Needs fuel to move. So yes, okay. This one is skateboard. Skateboard no need to fuel. No need fuel to move. Dia tak perlu minyak untuk bergerak. It just need the legs of the human, kaki orang aja kan, mem? Okay, this one is the van. The van needs fuel to move. Van ini, kendaraan seperti ini menggunakan minyak untuk bergerak. Okay, this one is bicycle. Bicycle no need fuel to move. Dia tak perlu si fuel itu untuk bergerak. It needs the leg of human, juga kaki manusia yang diperlukannya. Nah, mem, just now I told you that which one needs fuel to move. You put a tick if they needs fuel to move. Okay. Now what about here? Let's see, where can people get fuel to their vehicle? Di mana orang-orang bisa mendapatkan fuel, mem? Is it school? Apakah di sekolah? Or is it petrol station? Apakah di stasiun apa, mem? Di pom bensin? You put a tick one of them. Okay, next page. Page 21. Wheels. Wheels mean roda ya, mem ya. These are the wheels of this. Ini semua adalah roda dari ini, mem, beberapa ini. For example, this one. No wheel, one more wheel. Look at this one. You can find the same wheel. Coba cari yang sama seperti ini. What number? Are they same? Apakah mereka sama, mem? Let's see. Oh, this one, mem. Number 4. So you write here number 4. And also this one you find the wheels. Coba cari mana wheelsnya yang sama seperti ini. And also this one the bicycle, the chair, the car. And then let's see page 22. Heat means panas. Okay. Circle the objects that give out heat. Katanya kamu lingkari benda-benda yang bisa mengeluarkan panas, mem. If you touch, kalau kamu sentuh, it will be heat. Jadi kamu kena panas, mem. Which are they? Apa-apa aja mereka, mem. Now, as usual, before we do this one, let's see one by one. This one is kettle. It is using electric. Dia pakai listrik, and then it will be heat. Oh, ini panas, mem. Be careful ya. Be careful with this one. This one, the bottle not give out heat. Dia tidak mengeluarkan panas. Iron, look at this one. It gives out heat. Dia mengeluarkan panas. And also this one, hair dryer. It also gives heat. Dia mengeluarkan panas. Okay, this one also gives out heat. The chair, no, it is not give out heat. Dia tidak mengeluarkan panas. So you circle the objects that give out heat. Mana yang mengeluarkan panas, you circle. And if no, do not give out heat, kalau dia tidak mengeluarkan panas, you cross. Kamu silang aja, mem. And next page 23. The uses of heat, kegunaan panas itu untuk apa, mem? Put the pictures in the correct order. Katanya kamu susun ini, mem. Ya. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Okay, mem. You put the correct order 1 2 3. Which one is the first? Which one is the second? And which one is the third? Mana yang pertama? Nah, this one we want to make egg. Ya, kita mau bikin telur, mem ya. Which one is the first? Mana pertama, mem? This one. Directly on the stove, langsung di atas kompor. Or this one already siap masak. Or this one. Okay. And then here we want to make tea, hot tea. Kita mau buat air panas, teh manis panas ya, mem ya. Which one is the first? Mana pertama, mem? This one? Or this one? Or this one? And then this the last, terakhir. This one. Which one is the first? Mana pertama? Nah, for this one I give you the clue. Mem kasih aja kisi-kisinya ini, mem ya. Okay. The boy is cold. Dia merasa kedinginan. Yang mana, mem? This one, right, number 1. And then the boy make fire. Dia membuatkan api. So the boy is not cold anymore. Dia tidak merasa kedinginan lagi. Okay. Nah, yang ini, mem. First on the top ya mem, yang atas ya mem ya. First you put the egg on the pan, fry pan. Kamu pertama letakkan dulu dia di atas fry pan, and then put in onto the stove, letakkan di atas kompor, and then ta-da, there is the egg. Okay, what about this one? First you put the water into the kettle, and then put on the stove, letakkan kettle-nya di atas kompor, and then you can pour the hot tea. Kamu bisa meletakkan air itu, the hot water into the glass. Okay, ma'am. Do it nicely ya. Goodbye.